You're probably here 'cause you don't understand. Take my hand for some grade 9 math. I know the things that you might think. That math is hard, it'll always stink. Math is fun and math is great. Won't take long till you appreciate. You'll soon understand and maybe pass the class. Line symmetry are 2D pics, same on both sides when the middle's been split. Rotation symmetry ain't the same, you gotta flip it several D's so it hasn't changed. Solving surface areas are a different topic, it's a sum of phase areas on a 3D object. Scale factors are an easy concept, it's who decides if it's reduction. But if it's more, it's simply enlargement. Another simple fact, when all angles on two shapes are exact, they're similar triangles or similar polygons. In circle geometry, there are angles measures. An arc is a portion of circumference. And angles made by two chords who share the same end is an inscribed angle. Collecting data is a simple task, but you've got to know that. Population is a group of subjects being asked. Taking portion out of this group is called a sample. Math is fun and math is great. Won't take long till you appreciate. You'll soon understand and maybe pass the class. You can name polynomials by the number of terms because they equal the name. 1, 2, 3 term is monotrinomial. For equivalent expression, you can use a model to identify exponents, variables, and coefficients, not to mention add and subtract them. A linear relation looks as a straight line on a graph. A linear equation is an equation made straight on a graph. You must be able to understand graphs. Interpolating is having value between the stats. Extrapolating is the guess value after the stats. I forgot to type, but hope you didn't notice I didn't explain nomial multi-divide. You can use model, that's what makes it easy. Inequalities are expressions that aren't even. On the number line, the BP means spoken. When BPs are closed, they count in solution, but when they are open, they don't add at all. To solve inequalities, just use a number line. Math is fun and math is great. Won't take long till you appreciate. You'll soon understand and maybe pass the class. Rational numbers. They can be expressed as a fraction and usually shown on a number line. Solving rational numbers in a decimal form are explanatory. Calculator. But with fractions, you gotta change them to decimals, then solve the easy equation. You can use exponents to describe number C. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 has a 3 as a base and a 4 as the exponent for a number repeated. The base and the exponent equal a power. To solve equations, I like to use a number line, or you can solve by solving opposite operations on each side, then substitute the known values into the formula. You're probably here 'cause you didn't understand. You took my hand for some grade 9 math. I know there are things that you used to think that math was hard. You're no longer a kid. Math is easy and math is great. Won't take long till you appreciate. You now understand. You're probably past the class. Deuces, my brother's from another mother. Oh, I'm such a nerd. I need to get a life.